Hello friends, let's understand a very simple concept called as a margin of safety and PE, price earning ratio, derating through an event that happened yesterday, which will play out over a period of time. कंसेप्ट है, छोटा सा कंसेप्ट है, मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी एंड पी डे रेटिंग. एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा है बट मैं शॉर्ट में निपटाऊंगा क्योंकि आपका रिटेंशन कैपेबिलिटी यूट्यूब पे थोड़ा कम होता है. लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर. Yesterday 9th of July 2024, Mr. Bhavish Agarwal came out with the one tweet on Ola Maps. Bhavish Agarwal is a founder of Ola. As a disclaimer, I am an investor in Ola Electric and Ola Mobility, not this company. This is still held by him only. So he came out with the tweet saying about Ola Maps on a Krutrim cloud. Few days ago, he had come out with the campaign about Exit Azure. Azure is a cloud service provided by Microsoft. There is a similar cloud service provided by Amazon, so AWS server. So he said he basically wants to provide these services and try to do localization. So he came out with the concept of Ola Maps. Ola already has a lot of maps being there on their two-wheeler or their cabs. They have their proprietary maps. So now they are making these proprietary maps available to software developers through a SDK, software development kit for Android, for Windows, for your iOS, everywhere. And they are launched it free for the first year. Right now, this is not for end user. For end user, it is always free. But the companies, like imagine a Zomato uses a Google Map in its operating system, in its app. So Zomato has to pay to Google Maps or a Indian company Map My India, which has a Mappls, और कंपनी का नाम CE Info Systems है. तो they have to pay to Map My India or Google for usage of that particular map based on per interaction. So Bhavish Agarwal said that it is going to be free for the first year and then they're going to charge certain charges for using this Ola Maps service. Similar thing that done for using servers of Krutrim Cloud, which are little cheaper than the competitors which are there in the Indian markets. Like somewhere NetWeb does the E2E करके company है which also gives this server. So what Ola is trying to do? Ola is trying to disrupt the market through its Krutrim Cloud services, and they're gonna launch AI in the local linguistic languages in India also going forward. Now, what I'm explaining is this is what Ola did. Yes, they were announcing it over last few weeks, but officially pricing and everything, Bhavish came out yesterday. Now, there is a competitor which is already listed out here, whose name is CE Info Systems और Map My India, या आपके पास ऐप होगा तो Mappls करके एक ऐप आप यूज करते होगे तो गूगल मैप्स की जगह पे. और भाविश के ट्वीट ने, भाविश ने क्लियरली, अगर आपने बॉटम पे देखा होगा, उसने एक ईमेल आईडी लिखा है जिस पे आपको प्राइसिंग के डिटेल मिलेंगे. ईमेल आईडी का टाइटल देखो, exit Google Maps @olakrutrim.com. मतलब बेसिकली ही इज ट्राइंग टू ड्राइव दैट लोकल फीलिंग. नाउ प्रोडक्ट वाइज ऑब्वियसली रिव्यूज प्लस माइनस दोनों साइड पे है. ये प्रोडक्ट कितना अच्छा है, क्या है, सक्सेसफुल होगा नहीं होगा, आई डोंट नो. बट देयर कम्स अ इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. इसका जो कॉम्पिटिटर है विच इज CE Info Systems is right now trading at around 94 times of PE multiple. Ola Maps will be directly competing with this Mappls. Mappls is also an Indian map system. Google is not an Indian. Google is a multinational player. Mappls or CE Info System is India specific. Ola is also right now India specific map. So they say that they have some lot of advantages of. मतलब भाविश ने जो blog post लिखा है, that entire blog post explains how Ola knows India better than the Google or other players. The same logic was given by CE Info Systems. Now comes a concept, basic concept. When you are entering into a particular stock at a very high valuations, but a very, very high valuation. Valuations are done by price earning ratio, price to book value ratio, EV to EBITDA ratio, price to sales ratio. ऐसे अलग अलग सेक्टर के लिए अलग अलग multiples होते हैं. When you buy a stock at a much higher value than its intrinsic value or a fair value also, your margin of safety is literally not there. This concept of margin of safety was brought to this world for the first time by Benjamin Graham in his book called as The Intelligent Investor way back in 1930s. I'll make a separate video on how to identify margin of safety and other things later. बट बेसिक कंसेप्ट मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी का क्या है, जो आप भाव पे शेयर खरीद रहे हो वहां से, लेट्स से यू आर बाइंग अ शेयर एट एक्स रेट and the intrinsic value of that particular share or fair price of that particular share should be higher. Fair value है 100 and you are buying it at let's say 80, then your margin of safety is higher because even if the share falls it will recover quickly. So this is a very simple. Benjamin Graham in his book has explained it little differently, that is earnings yield minus the bond yield. I'll have to make a separate video on that, but margin of safety concept basically says when you're buying the stock, buy it at a fair price or below fair price. तो gap जो है ना, 100 रुपीज फेयर प्राइस है लेकिन आप 80 रुपीज पे बाय कर रहे हो, 20 रुपीज आप क्या कर रहे हो, मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी रख रहे हो. या आपको जाना है घर से क्लास को, लगता है 30 मिनट्स, यू लीव, let's say class is at 8 o'clock, you should leave not at 7:30, you should leave at 7:25, 7:20. You are keeping that 5 minutes or 10 minutes as a margin of safety. So if you keep the margin of safety in the stock, your investments will give you better return. Entry valuation you should check. CE Info Systems is a good company, but entry valuation is already very peak. तो जब आप एंटर करते तो मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी है क्या वो देखना पड़ेगा. नाउ हाउ दिस विल प्ले आउट आई डोंट नो. तो जो पी है 94, स्टॉक का प्राइस क्या होता है, स्टॉक प्राइस इज नथिंग बट अर्निंग पर शेयर इनटू पी रेशो. तो ये पीई डी रेटिंग होगा. डी रेटिंग मतलब पी विल डिक्लाइन, मार्केट विल स्टार्ट असाइनिंग अ लोअर पी. व्हाई मार्केट विल स्टार्ट असाइनिंग, मार्केट मे स्टार्ट असाइनिंग लोअर पी. रीजन बीइंग, if Ola Map starts doing it free, that means there is going to be a heavy price competition. It was a service business. सर्विस बिजनेस को आप क्या कर रहे हो, फ्री अनाउंस करके ये करके मार्जिन पे प्रेशर आएगा, मैप माई इंडिया पे प्रेशर आएगा. सेम थिंग उसने क्लाउड के साथ किया था, उसका प्रेशर दूसरे कंपनी पे आएगा जिसका नाम E2E करके है. देयर इज अनदर कंपनी कॉल्ड एज E2E टेक नेटवर्क्स. सो दे आल्सो प्रोवाइड विच इज हिट द लोअर सर्किट. ये एसएमई स्टॉक इट इज ऑलरेडी ट्रेडिंग एट 106p. तो ये एनवीडिया के A100 करके एक सीरीज आता है ग्राफिकल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट का, वो ये इंडिया में सप्लाई करता है, बहुत सारे चीजें करता है टेक्नोलॉजी के अंदर. स्टॉक बाय करते टाइम पे मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी देखना या पी वैल्यूएशंस क्या है वो देखना. कैसे देखना है मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी कैलकुलेशन वो हम अलग वीडियो में कभी डिटेल में बनाएंगे. राइट, सी यू टुमारो, बाय बाय.